Ho ho ho, and a bottle of rum. Da dum dum dum. Well, hey, I'm done, but I'm not done with my project, am I? Until I clean up. I'll get this all cleaned up, carefully get all the stuff down in the corner, sweep off and vacuum and wipe off the top of the baseboard and all that, run the vacuum in here. I told Mommy, yeah, I know how to use this. I told her I would run it all through here. She's having a function tomorrow night. We had to end up moving the table and all kinds of stuff out of here. So I told her I'd vacuum it all for her. Something having to do with sound healing or something they're going to set up over here. 15, 20 people are going to be here, and then they're all supposed to be facing their heads up this way. Boom, 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 boom. And we got to close the blinds to have it all nice and dark in here. And then these people here with their head facing up here. Boom, boom, boom. See, they're going to be playing in here. And boom, boom, boom. And I told Mommy, yeah, we got enough room, because she wanted to move this whole couch and stuff. I thought, nothing doing. I'm not moving that. All these people can be facing, laying with their head facing up this way on yoga mats, and all the people over there. So everybody's going to get the sound without having this in the way. And we've got a friend, an older lady, and we're just going to have her in here. I'll probably have her sit over here, recline this, and then she can lay there, and she can hear the sound healing bowls and all that. It's kind of cool. Kind of sounds really neat if you've never done that sound healing thing. But in any case, that's all I've got to do. I've got everything locked up downstairs. I'm happy this thing is all done. Get all this stuff put away. I'm not going to just leave this stuff out. Put all your stuff away and clean up. Make it look like you were never there. That's how you want it. Oh, and by the way, these are old towels. I wouldn't use our good towels for this, but I've got these three, and I think I might even have another one. I use those for just little things, or if I'm shoveling snow or something, I'll set it by the door and then pick it up, fold it up, stick it back in the garage. Okay, I've got those. I don't have an actual big old huge painter's drop. I use stuff like this, and then I use craft paper. Okay, I'm almost done. Can you believe it? I am all done. Looks like I was never in this room, huh? All that stuff I had to do. Unbelievable. Okay, well, that's it for this time. But I'll see you on the next video. Hope to see you then.